Keep on thing sound. The DJ and the DJs wanna be. DJ protest the power.
He is the cultural leader of Babasala. Sembera wali tambula. So he's got tambula ku line eno wano. No tambula ku line.
Guys, he is the cultural leader.
He's the cultural leader
of the Babasala. Check on his car.
Yes.
It's really a big
He's having a very amazing car, eh?
Yeah.
A very amazing one, man.
Yeah. Currently, that is the station right here.
Man, he's having a very different car. It's not a normal car. Hello. Man, he's a very the culture leader of Babasala. Oh my goodness. We are powered by Beef Organic and Tusker. Beef Organic, natural healthcare products at the same time. Tusker Rwenzori Marathon. The culture leader has come, man. He's having a very crazy car. Very crazy one. This man is not a usual one, man. Oh my goodness, show me. Oh, yeah. Man. Oh my goodness. This guy. He's having a very great car, a very great one, an amazing one. This man. Oh my goodness. Look at the convoy. Look at the convoy, look at the convoy. Oh, Mukuka. Sorry, Tambula, flash out here. Tambula, payo. Soko peyo. The guy is having a very great car. A great one. Like a guardian of Anange. The king with the most extravagant car, a very different one. Man, a great car. Oh my goodness, Omukuka. I'm so blessed to be part of this event this time around. Manange Mulavye, 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 Mulavye. Mulavye, Mulavye, Mulavye. Come to, come to, come to. Now, my friends, this is the house where they are going to be circumcising these boys from. Here, this house. You're seeing the situation. Man, it's crazy here. I'm telling you, culture can really bring lots of people. So, what you're seeing there, that is omuti, a culture omuti. Yisi kulika akanyama kakali oba mukalaba we bagenda basalira abaniga bagenda basalira so they're organizing everything to make sure that this event gets to be successful. So so the guys are going to come from there. They're going to officiate from up there where you're seeing the tents. The Omukuka is going to be there. He has already come. So he's sending them to come to this place here. Then they officiate the official cultural circumcising. I think it's the biggest in Africa. It brings everyone. If you can witness, we even have some Kenyan friends who are here, who came for news. So guys, it's always overwhelming, big and massive. Very massive, very big, kids, elders, everyone. So we are powered by Beaver Organic and Natural Healthcare Products. He's my sponsor who makes sure that everything comes to you from Mbale. Then Taskat Treasury Marathon. We're going to Kasese, so you can easily witness that the t-shirt is here. From here, Kasese, yeah, we're coming guys. So that is it. Keep safe as we are enjoying the Embalu festivals, man. I told you celebrations. Everyone comes from his home to come and celebrate this massive event. Yeah, they always celebrate it during the even years of 2024, 2026 next, 2028, 30. I think those ones who went to school, you understand what even numbers mean. So that is it. It's crazy. Thousands of people are here. Business is moving. This means that tourism is growing. Oh my goodness. Now the thing that's causing problems here. We are moving. We are moving. Hey.
And you are doing what? So who is affecting you? Sometimes respect. Respect. You're not respecting us. Here there is no respect. Here there is no respect. You are in culture. Let's let you go home. Go ask about our and what you will. The point is you take it on the main road. wakawa. Sikugamba yogere uli. Matomoto kwa take moto kambo don't touch your knee. Serious. Nonsense. Nothing is okay. You taking that way. The guy is speaking Uganda. Pick me. The guy is saying this.
No problem. Let's have the content. Ugandans, you are very peaceful, but Kenyans, you behave as if you're not our brothers, guys, eh?
Pick me.
No. We are very peaceful in Uganda here, but you guys are not easy. You people. Biwede. Tumaze karotalo munu maze muyombe chiwete. Guys. You were complaining about what?
Aside from shouting, guys, pardon me. To be truthful,
yes.
You as if you're on their side.
No, not being on their side. First and foremost, me I first treated them as our brothers. The Kenyans, eh?
That's how we treated them.
Yes, but the way they are misbehaving, man.
And besides that, this is guys. You are actually, you may not know why you are shouting.
Yes.
Because some Kenyans have a car here. This is not a parking.
They are journalists from
And they don't want anyone
to step on their car.
Touch it, even a mere touch.
No step on it.
So let me tell
Wait,
you, this is a cultural
And when people are here like this, eh? Just look at the numbers, man. We are just enjoying life
like
here.
million people around here.
Yes.
Just let people touch it. If you don't want them to touch it, take it to a parking space. We have a lot of parking here. They brought it in Pima. They don't want people to touch it. What's that? Kenyans behave.
Man, they have that tendency of thinking that they're so special.
Yeah, you're not special, guys. You're not.
You're like
I
us.
know I have subscribers from Kenya. I'm really sorry, but this thing has hurt me.
You guys just annoyed us so true. Eh? They annoyed us by the way. You can see them.
Yeah.
These guys are not even serious. We have just them our way to go.
Okay, finally we have just let them go, and I pray they don't come back here because they are missing people. Most of these people have come to watch their culture, their children. Intimidating them. And when you go somewhere, don't disrespect people just because you're from another
The
country.
issue is you need to
Most
work
of
in
us
harmony.
travel, but we don't disrespect
Yes.
people. You understand?
Ugandans are peaceful people. We welcome.
Yeah, you're welcome.
But these neighbors
then-
of ours, no.
Yeah, we don't like that.
Hiyo sio fanye. They say.
Fanya hiyo.
Usifanye hiyo.
Just check on the number of people here, guys.
Yeah. It's a very they are overwhelming the place. And then Baganya Abantu. Oh my goodness. This is terrible. Very terrible. Embalu Mukambwe.
Actually, by the way, the smell of alcohol is even intense right now.
Yeah. Time for circumcision. So kabagenda okumusala bannange. Kigwa. Nabagambye nabagambye ekyo kigwa ne mutampuliriza.
Let's check on how he is making some incarnations. Are they called incarnations?
Is that?
It's all chanting.
Those are incarnations or incarnation, I don't know.
Yeah, but he's calling up.
He's calling the judges, the gods, to make sure the celebration and the activity.
Successful. So, is going to be a candidate.
No, he's not the one. He's not the one.
That one is a candidate.
Tugwa bannange. Mpola. Todduka naye tugwa. Tugwa bannange. Wanika buwanisi. Leka kuyambe kwa mzungu.